I know she didn't really eat her veggies, but what she doesn't know is that her dessert is actually a nutritious mixture of fruits and veggies. A simple way to get parrots used to the flavor of a variety of different fruits and veggies is to use baby food. I like this Sprout brand because the only ingredients are the fruits and veggies listed and a tiny bit of lemon juice as preservative. If your bird is super picky like mine, they won't try the baby food on its own without a little incentive. My parrot Gracie loves the Oven Fresh Bites baked parrot cookies. But you can use your parrot's pellets, some whole grain bread, or any dry treat that your parrot loves. Simply crumble it into the baby food, mix well, and serve. As your bird gets used to the flavor of fresh foods, you can start to create your own fresh smoothies and purees as well. Bon appetit!